these are the OnePlus Buds, and well, they're OnePlus's first attempt at a pair of truly wireless earbuds, and yes, they do look a lot like AirPods. In all honesty, I wasn't expecting this from OnePlus, but yet, here we are. So for starters, they're decently priced, coming in at $79, and with that, you're getting an IPX4 rating, Bluetooth 5.0, 13.4mm drivers for what OnePlus claims to give you richer tones, 7 hours of battery life with an additional 23 with the charging case, and of course that really similar design. Now the Buds, they sound great. They're not gonna blow your mind great, but they get the job done. So if you are someone that likes bass, you'll be happy to know that these do emphasize it a lot, but due to the lack of a seal, I think they do tend to bleed out a lot. But overall, I think you'll be happy with the sound that these do produce, within of course reasonable expectations. Now my biggest concern with these is how bad they play with others. Besides the exclusive features you're only going to be seeing when owning a OnePlus device, these really don't work well with other devices. Plus, you won't be able to update your Buds to the latest firmwares, again, if you don't own a OnePlus device. Now, it's not all bad. If you do own a OnePlus device, some of the exclusive features you are going to be seeing are going to be the seamless pairing like you would over with the AirPods, environmental noise cancellation, and a low latency feature. Now for that low latency feature, it does work. It worked well when I was gaming on PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, and I got similar results as well when just streaming on Netflix or just streaming in general, so kudos to that. As for the environmental noise cancellation, it's actually not any sort of active noise cancellation, not for them both to be confused. Essentially what it helps with is just better call quality since it uses 3 mics located on both earbuds, and it works to some extent. People said that they could hear me clearly when on calls, just a bit muffled at times. So the design, again, it's really familiar. I'm sure if you were to catch someone wearing these out in public, you are going to confuse them with AirPods, at least from a distance. The one difference being located where the touch controls are located. OnePlus says that it is a seated design element brought over from their Bullets line. And again, these are a one size fit all, so if they don't fit or stay in your ear, well, then you're kind of out of luck. That being said, I wouldn't recommend these for the active user, especially since I did wear these for a long period of time and they managed to irritate my ear, so keep that in mind if you are someone that uses their Buds all day. But also my experience might differ from yours. Now regarding the case, it is a bit bigger, at least when compared to something like the Apple AirPods, but they managed to fit some extra battery life in there, so it kind of makes up for it. Although they do like wireless charging just like some of their smartphones did for some time, but even with the added bulk, they don't protrude or aren't as obstructive like some other wireless earbuds. The case also has a resemblance to that of the Pixel Buds, at least in terms of materials. It has this really nice matte finish to it that really manages to hide scratches a lot better than those glossy finishes. Overall, for 79 bucks, I think they're well worth it if you own a OnePlus device. Kind of makes them hard to recommend to other people that own other devices due to them having all these restrictions. But let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.